How to join a FPL League with code. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In order to join the FPL League, first of all make sure you have the latest version of the application. If not, you can update it using the Play Store. After that, just log in into the application, and after that, tap on the fantasy option which is on the bottom center. Hereby, scroll down and you'll find the section of leagues and cups. From there, tap on join league. Click on invitational options, or you could go for the public league as well. To enter to the private league, you have to enter the code provided by the league admin, or you can create only league using the website given over here. Now, you just have to type in the code and click on join your league, and with that, you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. If you have any queries, do not forget to mention it on the comment section. Also, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.